Hello and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will mention 5 plants every Indian gardener should grow. Number 1 is coriander, also called cilantro. It is a very easy to grow herb and does not require much effort. They are ready to harvest in 2 weeks and are very frequently used in cooking as seeds or fresh leaves. Number 2 is curry leaves. Curry leaves play a very important role in Indian dishes when it comes to making tadkas and dals. It's a good idea to keep 2 of these plants in your garden so they will be very useful in everyday cooking. Number 3 is lemongrass, which is a very easy to grow plant because all it requires is sun, water and good soil. Lemongrass is useful in making health beneficial drinks and adds a great flavor in tea. Number 4 is mint leaves, which is as simple to grow as lemongrass. It can be used in making chutneys and refreshing drinks. And at number 5 is a vegetable, string beans. They are not at all difficult to grow. They grow very fast and are ready to harvest within 2 months and repeatedly after that a few times. And every harvest you make will give a sufficient quantity to make a dish of it.